What's up, guys? We just got back from Uso's trip and tearing everything down to make some major changes. But the first one we're going to mess with is the Lincoln here that's got a messed up bridge. The bridge is bent pretty bad, and it's causing, it to be unlevel in the back, and it just causing a lot of problems. The rear does not go down as far as it should. So what I've already noticed is that the pocket or lack thereof, there is no pocket. The spring and everything doesn't go up as high as it does. So the car sits pretty high, when it's all the way down. Also, it has a long arm kit. Long arm kits traditionally cause the car to sit a little higher because of the way that the long arm kit goes along the bottom of the frame. But we're going to make some modifications to it to make the arm run along the frame, but then kick up to allow the rear end to go up into, the wheel well a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you kind of what is going on with it, so you can see why we're gonna have to change all of this stuff. So, all right. So you see this bridge already. I don't know if you can tell how bent down it is. It's bent down pretty bad. So I'm guessing, and granted, I don't know who built this, so not clowning on nobody, but I'm guessing when this was built, this was for like a dog leg type of situation, so it could hook right here and dog leg it or something, or maybe that was their idea to try and get it to three-wheel easier. But you can see how long these long arm kits are. I mean, Jesus, look how long those arms are. But yeah, we're gonna start dismantling and pulling it out and then building a new bridge to put back in it. And here is the car. It's a pretty nice car. Love the patterns. All right, we'll get to work. All right, so now you can kind of see it a little bit better. You see how that thing's dipped down? It's bent real bad. Yeah. And then he started noticing that this side was dropping, and what I see is that weld breaking. All right. See? Look at that motherfucker.
Rainbow.
Hold on. Yeah. All right, so we got this bridge wrapped up. We got the bridge in, got the trailing arms cut and bent into place to allow for articulation for the rear end to go all the way up in there. So it sits a lot lower now than it did before. Matter of fact, it dropped it around 4 to 5 inches from where it was before to where it is now. And I'm gonna just show you real quick a quick 3-wheel on it. It's actually so violent that it's just violent. So check this out. All right, here we go. As soon as it starts going over, you just pretty much got to get out of the way. All right, here it goes. There it goes. See you later. Whew. Like, that's stupid right there, Jesus. You can kind of see the arm where we bent it right there and put it back together. So yeah, this thing turned out amazing. The bridge is so much stronger. It was definitely done incorrectly the first time, not putting any kind of bracing on top side. We recessed the pocket, bringing it way up, all the way to the bottom, which before the bridge was straight across, and so it was losing 3 inches alone right there. So we gained 3 inches on that. Then off of bending the lower trailing arm right past the frame to give it a straight, and then up, because obviously this is a long arm kit. So it went straight to it and then kicked up. So now it clears everything, and the owner, Jamal, a good friend of mine, he is super stoked with how low it gets now, because before it kind of sat up, kind of like a monster truck a little bit for a lowrider. That's not great, but now it sits pretty perfect. Now, I did not show how I build the bridge because I've got a lot of previous videos on how I build the bridge. The only difference with this one is that we recessed the pocket just a little bit more than usual to make sure that it got up to the back part of, or the bottom side of the metal framing up underneath. But I will post down in the comments, or excuse me, in the description, I will post down a previous video of making the actual bridge, so you can see kind of how that was done.